Guys, there's some serious problems in the world right now. None bigger than an overload of paper clips and nothing to do with them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a paperclip into a spinning top. Any size paperclip will do. I have a rather small one in this video, so I'll be making a mini spinning top. The first step is to straighten out the paperclip. After you get it relatively straight with your hands, use a pair of needle nose pliers to straighten it completely. Once it's straight, you're going to bend it in this sort of rounded fish shape. After that, bend the two ends inward as shown to form a sort of Pac-Man shape. The key here is that you want the outside to be as round as possible, and you want the two straight sections to cross right in the middle of the circle. You want your top to be balanced, so make sure that Pac-Man's mouth is open and not closed to help balance out the extra weight on the one side where the straight sections are. At this point, the last step is to bend the handle and the point the top will spin on. You want both of these to be relatively short, with the handle possibly being slightly longer so that it is easier to spin. If you have some excess wire, you can trim your top to size at this point. Give it a few test spins to see how it works. You will probably have to adjust it a little to maximize the spin time. Remember, you want the handle and point to be as straight as possible and as centered as possible. This technique can be used to make all different sizes of spinning tops. You can use different sized paper clips or wire. Be sure to check out our video showing you how to do an awesome party trick with just a coat hanger and a penny. And when you're done, you can turn that coat hanger into a jumbo spinning top. With a little practice, it isn't very hard to get your paperclip top spinning for over a minute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a comment and a like down below and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. Until next time, stay safe out there and don't be boring.